FEC's number 101. Well, remember how I said in the last video I was gonna get a pair of sunglasses? So I came here, right? And this was like this, right? So I look on the other side of the signal was red. Then they turned off, and then shortly thereafter, on the other side it turned green. So I knew that 202 hasn't cleared the switch, but now they're done with the meet and crew swap in Miko. Hardly see the lights, but it's coming alright. They're getting up to speed. And a 419. There were auto racks on top. You guys would see more in the picture, so got some UMAX and CSX. These lights over here at Walmart, they really don't help. I thought they would. Put this baby on flash, give you guys a little glimpse of what's passing the camera. We have Hostess Cakes that just passed by. Couldn't really get a picture of that. Wow, I think I saw Jetson back there. There goes an Ashley. And another Ashley. There goes the EOT. There they go. Into the darkness. EOT at 724. BBT 609 here at milepost 213.4 on the Florida East Coast Main Line. Have a safe trip to the crew of 202 and 101. Look, listen, and live.